guys, today is a big day for Elmo. We are painting the dining room. We're adding color. I know you see that swatch back there. Technically, I have a sponsorship with Benjamin Moore coming up, and by coming up, I literally mean it to do in 3 days. So we are going to be painting the dining room a super dark color, which if you've been waiting for color on the channel, I feel like I've been feeding that. Like, I have definitely been adding a bunch of color lately. Today is no different. We're changing up the dining room, which I'm really nervous about. I have been going back and forth on whether I want to color drench this room, which basically means from root to tip, from ceiling to floor, all of the walls get painted. I love the way that that looks. When I'm on Pinterest or Instagram, whenever I see a color drenched room, I'm like heart eyes, heart eyes, heart eyes. I love it. So I was thinking about doing that with this room, but I'm too much of a scaredy cat. So what we're going to do, we're gonna test the waters. I'm gonna baby step into this potentially color drenched room. So right now what I plan to do is just paint the upper wall part, like above the molding is what's getting painted. So just half the wall for now. That way I can kind of see how I like it with the molding still white. I might really like that and at least have to live with that for a little bit to get comfortable enough to completely drench the room. Maybe I never will. Maybe I'll leave the ceiling white and just the walls are drenched. I don't know, we'll see. But for now, we're just gonna paint this middle section, see how I like it, and probably submit that for the sponsorship and then live with it for like a couple weeks, see how I feel, take my time, and if I wanna come back and paint more, I can. That's my plan. However, it might not go as planned. I might see the color. Go ahead, Rob, you're good. Sorry. Rob's setting up, he's getting like the painter's tape, the tarp, everything over there. I'm clearly not gonna wear this. This is just for the sponsorship portion, but I wanted to get some before clips looking cute, some transitions for TikTok and Instagram. But we'll see. I might be like, I'm literally, go ahead, Rob.
Okay,
come on, Rob. Hey, they know you. You're welcome. Come on in. So we'll see how this goes. Rob and my best friend, Annalisa, my mom, everyone's telling me, okay, just go baby steps. Like, don't go crazy first, because this is new for me. I mean, you guys even know, like, color is new for me. I have been living in basically a sea of white in this house since we moved in for the past like 4.5 years. So I need to be gentle with myself and get things done. I gotta go, I gotta film, I gotta help Rob. So yeah, if that sounds like a plan, then let's get into color drenching the dining room. Oh, and we're also doing the butler's pantry. I forgot about the butler's pantry, but that's a calm color and I feel safe there. You'll see the butler's pantry. It's gonna look good. Let's get into it.
Why you wanna run away? You gotta be afraid. I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave?
Hey, trial and error. We got this. Oh my God, I'm scared.
I need you the most. Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah.
Okay, Okay, you guys, this is the progress of the walls. I love it. I think we're gonna keep it like this. I really don't think we're gonna do the whole entire room dark. I feel like keeping the molding white, the molding up here white, and the ceiling white really breaks it apart and it doesn't feel like it's too much. It's definitely dark, but I feel like it makes the mirror pop, like everything really stands out. The paint is good, you guys. Like, I know this is for a sponsorship, not in the YouTube video, but on Instagram. And honestly, it is so good. Like, I'm so glad I was able to like paint this and use the Benjamin Moore paint because it turned out fantastic. It's a specific type of Benjamin Moore paint that I got to use as well, but the color is gorgeous. I'm so excited about this. Okay, so I wanted to take a step back, like on the steps so that we can overlook the dining room to see what it looks like. Technically, the paint is green. Like, it's supposedly marketed as a dark green color. I don't really see that, but we'll see like at night what it's giving. It dries really fast, so we should be able to put the cabinets back, put the decor back, lay down the rug. Like, we should be able to do that tonight, and then in the morning, like, it'll all be done. I love it. I feel like it's a brand new space. The power of paint is real because I feel like, I'm like, whose room is this? This looks like a completely different house. I don't know, like, it feels like we're not in our house. It feels really fresh. I'm inspired by this to start decorating in here for Christmas even more and putting up. I kind of wanted to do like some garland on the chandelier and have ornaments hanging down. I've seen that on Pinterest and I was like, whoa, I love that. So I might experiment with that. I feel like it leads nicely into the living room. Like, it just kind of flows. Once everything is decorated and we put our wall art up and we have our dim lights and everything's put back together, we'll really be able to take it in for what it is. But now it's time to move on to the butler's pantry. We're painting that next. We had to do 3 paint jobs. So in here is 1, butler's pantry 2, and then I have to paint a piece of decor to go in here in the dining room. So let's get to it.
Took me for granted. Don't recognize you anymore. Once sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. You want maximum profit.
Well, let's get the rug right first.
Yeah, let's move the table. We got to redo what we just did. Great. Come on. Is it off the rug?
Yeah.
Okay, my side is good. What do you need?
I'm exposed on this side right here.
Okay,
and over there.
Pull
so
it.
It's gotta...
Ready?
Yep. 1, 2, 3.
I could have dropped this table on your little feetsies.
That is the look of 2 parents who are completely over it. So we are just bringing in the chairs back into the dining room. I absolutely love this. You guys have to let me know in the comments. Do you think we should go back in and paint the rest of the room to make it more like the inspo pictures, color drenching. I don't think I would paint the ceiling. I love how the ceiling is white in some of the pictures, but I think doing the trim, doing the crown molding, it might look nice, but let me know. This is kind of the final look of it. I wasn't able to get it on my actual camera, but these are just clips from my phone. I love it. I think it's so incredibly beautiful. I'm so glad we were able to have this sponsorship to be able to get me out of my comfort zone with paint and color. If you've been waiting for color on the channel, baby, here you go. This is it, and I love it. Okay, guys, today is October. No, it's not. It's November 12th, 2024. We got a new rug in the mail, so we're gonna be switching it out. It's going in our breakfast nook back there. I gotta film it, and I wanted to show you guys too, because I mean, that's what the home updates are all about, right? So here we go. We're gonna switch this one out. There's some stains on it, but the new one that I'm getting is a washable, so I'm very excited about that. We obviously eat over here as a family. This is like our main area where we eat. We rarely ever eat in the dining room. So this rug needs to be durable. This new one that we got in the mail is washable. So I figure this will be the perfect rug. So let's take care of this, get rid of this rug, roll out the new one, and do a little Christmas decor in here. So yeah, let's get to it.
I mean, most of this is getting cut, so why? But I'm singing at the same time. Alright.
I'm scared. Do you remember the last time? This is very heavy. Oh my God, Rebecca. I tried. What do you mean? Stop.
I want you. Excuse me some more. And we are all. Your head, your arms, and everything. Okay.
So should we take this rug pad
Yeah,
up?
let's take this up.
Yeah. Let me vacuum this. This is actually easy to put down.
Yeah.
Or not.
Okay, you guys, this is what the breakfast nook is looking like. This is the brand new rug. We've had it for, I want to say like maybe a couple weeks at this point, and I think it looks really, really nice. I mean, it looks pretty clean as well, so definitely holding up. But here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking I want to switch this up. I am really feeling inspired, you guys. So what I'm thinking of is taking down these frames, and if you've been following for a while, you know it took me so long to get all 6 matching frames. One of you actually sent me a couple, I think it was like either 2 or 3, maybe 2, I can't remember, frames in the mail, which I'm so appreciative of. I'm obviously still gonna keep these frames and use them elsewhere. Y'all know how I do, but I really want to get a piece of furniture to go on the bottom half of this wall. The frames won't be here. And then I was thinking of getting like a shelving unit, maybe some, I don't really know, we'll see. But I just really want to switch this up. I feel like I've had the frames this whole entire time since we've lived here, and I just want to switch it up, do something different, rearrange. Y'all know how I do. So I looked up a sideboard online. They were having a Black Friday deal. So I ordered this. It should be in the next home update. The only thing is I'm gonna have to like scoot everything down and put the chairs on like either side of the table. The chairs can't be on either end because then the sideboard won't fit. So we're gonna scooch down the table because there is room, like a little bit. When the chair is gone, just picture this chair not here. When the chair is gone, there's definitely quite a bit of room. So I can scoot it down with the rug a little bit more, put the sideboard there, get some new wall art, and I think it's gonna look really, really nice, really cozy. You all know I've really been trying to introduce like traditional home decor. I think I said it here on YouTube, but I definitely have on TikTok. Trying to bring more traditional pieces into my space, something that feels a little bit more cozy, leaning more cozy and leaning away a little bit from modern, sleek, sharp edges. I just want something a little bit more inviting. So that's what we're gonna do, and I think it's gonna look good. That'll be in the next home update. And speaking of home decor that I've had since the beginning, I've had these lamps for a very long time and they stopped working. My goal was to just find new lamps at HomeGoods, but you know when you go into HomeGoods, one thing leads to another, and we found pretty much all new decor. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna switch it up. I'm taking off all the decor that I have here on the entryway table. Hello, sir. I feel threatened. I don't know what that was. Code red. But I have handyman Rob here. He's going to be hanging up the new wall art for us. Shout out to Rob. But this is just another way, like I was saying, of me switching this up and making it feel more traditional, more cozy. The wall art is a copy of a Van Gogh art piece, and I just think it feels so much more cozy and inviting. I love it. Okay, you guys, and here is the updated entryway foyer situation. I just changed a couple decor pieces. Obviously, the art, the lamp stopped working. So it kind of led me to change a couple of things over here. And I love how it turned out. A lot of the stuff is from HomeGoods, but I will try to link what I can. We started decorating for Christmas. So I have this wreath over here on this little stand thing and a bow above the art light. But I think it looks so cozy at nighttime. It looks so good. Like it with the candle light on, this lamp on, it looks so cozy. I've really been trying to incorporate more traditional home decor, and I feel like this is there. I feel like this is definitely more traditional, way less modern and sleek, even though I really love this. I really love how it turned out. You can kind of get a sneak peek of our Christmas tree in the background. The next video is going to be the decorate with me, but I'm very excited about this and I love it. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed today's home update. I'm really going to try to be better about doing these monthly. I really want to have a schedule for every single Friday. You kind of know what to expect. A home update, Amazon haul, and then the two others, I kind of have to like brainstorm some ideas, maybe seasonal, things like that. Oh my gosh, why are my lips? Ooh, okay, I need to go take care of that. I don't know why my lips look so dry. It's the I swear I have chapstick on. I don't know why it looks so white. I literally just put on Lene's chapstick. I don't know what it's giving, but anyway, I got my hair done today. I'm about to go out with my man. It's a date night, but I wanted to finish this vlog. I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. Hope you enjoyed all the home updates. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And me and all my new home updates, that dining room, hello. We will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.